For now, unraveling the meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the English language to understand a commonly used phrase, for now. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how and when to use it confidently in your conversations. For now is a phrase that people use to indicate a temporary situation or condition. It suggests that something is true or relevant at this moment, but it might change in the future. For instance, keep this book for now, and you can return it next week. The weather is clear for now, but it might rain later. In both examples, the situations are temporary and subject to change. Let's dissect the phrase a bit. For is a preposition often used to indicate purpose, time, or duration. Now refers to the present moment or current situation. When combined, for now emphasizes the current, often fleeting, nature of a situation. 1. Making decisions. I've decided to stay at my current job for now. This implies that the speaker might consider changing jobs in the future. 2. Temporary solutions. This will fix the problem for now. Here, the speaker acknowledges that a more permanent solution might be needed later. 3. Postponing plans. Let's postpone the meeting for now and reschedule later. The intention to revisit the situation is clear. Understanding small phrases like, for now, can make a big difference in your fluency and comprehension of the English language. We hope this explainer has been helpful, and remember, language learning is a journey. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!